here at the Hunter 350 launch. We're doing a ride down to, I believe, Docklands in Melbourne before heading a little bit further. And this is the brand new Hunter 350 motorcycle.
I think, yeah, we're riding bikes, but they're just whatever, we're going to have fun and do our thing, and it should be great. So we'll saddle up, get everything ready to go, and we'll catch up again at Archie Brothers in Docklands, and we're going to have some fun, and we're going to eat and drink and...
We've just had our first squirt on the Hunter motorcycles. We've arrived at Docklands. They're so much fun, so light, so nimble to just weave through the traffic as we found that we needed to do in almost peak hour in Melbourne. Love this bike already.
Riding the Hunter is super fun. I had a lot of fun getting here. They look super neat too. Handles really nicely. A little bit of pep too is what I like. Yeah, the feeling of the brakes and things like that was really super smooth. Nothing about it was jarring. It's comfortable to sit on.
Well, I just defeated everyone at Archie Brothers, which is like an arcade amusement thingy-majiggy in Docklands in Melbourne, and everyone's ego is a little bit bruised, but I'm so sorry, I'm just really good at arcade games. So on to the next place where they can drink their sorrows.
With the Royal Enfield Hunter 350. It's a fun bike and we got to ride through all the streets in Melbourne, and we finally ended up at our final destination at Welcome to Thornbury, where we're winding down with a few snacks, and then I can't wait to get back on that bike again and go home because it is so much fun.
Do you feel we're getting closer to the place where we began? Feelings getting colder, 'cause time is slipping through my hands.
Hey guys, it's Jimmy Swan from the Enfield Guy. We just had an awesome night tonight riding through the surrounds of Melbourne, going from Essendon out to Docklands and down to St Kilda. Magic night on the Hunter 350. What a bike, awesome commuter. It really exceeded all my expectations. Coming from a 650 twin Interceptor, this is going to be an amazing commuter bike in Australia. Keep an eye out for it, and it's been a great day.